Welcome to Alikare and I'm Thea. Today's video we're going to do a massage on the face that will help you with aging, wrinkles, and also take away stress from the face and also remove eye bags. This also keep you younger and looking fresh and give you back your youthful look. If you can manage to do this every day or every morning after shower, it will be a very helpful thing for your own self-care. Now, with this said, can any oil be used? It's best recommended that you use organic oil, something that will not clog your pores. So let's begin. Movements. Okay. Remember, this drains toxin from the skin, and there is a lot of fluid that we need, lymphatic fluid that we need to drain from the body. So first I'm gonna do this one. Feels good, and while you're doing it you can just push up your neck like somebody is pulling you, or stretch, put a little stretch into it. Feels so good. So to remember what you do on one side, you can count. So I'm gonna do this 3 times. You can do 6 if you're really stressed and tired. But just to make the video a little bit shorter, I'm gonna just do 3. And while I'm doing that, I'm giving it a pull all the way to the ears. And if you notice, you have a bone right here, so you can just pinch that a little. And then pull out. Then feels so good. Then you can do a rotary movement. You can do upwards and then downwards. When you finish that, stretch it out all the way to the ears. Then go up. The eye bag right here, 2 fingers. All the way. And you press while doing it. Forehead all the way here. When you reach here, you can just do nice massage. This also helps if you have migraine headaches. You can also do this. This really helps to exercise the eyes also. Everything and pull back. Everything and pull back. And you have that pinching movement you can do all over the face. Okay, now there is an exercise that you can do. I mean, nobody's seeing you, so go ahead and feel free to do your face anyhow you feel. So you can do this. No problem, it's good for you. Massage those muscles, and then you can just do some tapping. Okay, after doing this massage on your face, what you can now do is cleanse your face with some lukewarm water and then use some cold water. If you want to put some ice in the water and close back that pores. Thank you so much for watching. This is Alikare and I'm Thea.